Today we have an interaction session, and this is the session in the form of conversation. Like, you will have to talk to me. Each of you will be given 2 minutes time. Okay, each of you. समझने की कोशिश करना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी. Each of you will be given 2 minutes time, and is in this 2 minutes time I will ask you some questions, some small questions, very small questions. The questions that I would ask you would be very simple. What you have to do, you have to listen to those questions so patiently without being stressed, and then you have to answer the question. And in this 2 minutes time, you can also ask me your questions just after answering me. मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा आपसे, आपने जवाब दे दिया, तो जवाब देने के साथ ही आप भी मुझसे कोई बात पूछ सकते हैं, कुछ कह सकते हैं. समझ में आ गई बात? You would not be only for answer the questions, but you can also ask your questions in this 2 minutes time. Take it easy. Don't feel stressed. And please keep your cameras on. It is mandatory. And I would like to get your names in the message box, that who is ready to have a conversation with me. And this is a very great thing that I have got first name. And then, what is this? Angi. Who is Angi? I have no student like Angi.
सर गलत नेम
गलत नेम लिख दिया, और हिंदी में और लिख रहे हो. Natasha. Okay, very good. So I think you are ready for it, for today's class. Don't worry, take it easy, yaar. Okay, this is just a fun. Yes. And now stop your thinking. Stop your thinking. Sometimes because of overthinking, we destroy our things. Make it clear. Sometimes, or I can say that so often, we are in the vicious circle of overthinking, and this overthinking is not good. So now what you have to do, you have to listen to the conversation that is going on. Okay, so only 2 minutes will be given to you, and as I have got many names, so Natasha, Vipin, Anjali first, Meenu, Anvi, Khushi Gujar, Pinky Olia, Khushi Meena, Garvit. Okay, okay. So I am starting with Rehansh. So come on, Rehansh.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? I think you are ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your time starts now, Rehansh. Where do you live, Rehansh?
So I live in Bangalore.
What do you do in Bangalore?
Like in Bangalore, I be in my home and I go to school for studies.
In which class do you study, beta?
I study in 4th standard.
Do you like to go to school?
Yeah, I like to go to school.
Okay. What do you want to become in your life? Do you have any goal? Have you ever thought?
Uh, I want to become a businessman or
Okay.
an actor.
Okay, very good. Whom do you like the most? Your mother or your father?
My mother.
Huh?
My mother.
Your mother.
Yes,
Why do
sir.
you like your mother the most? Can you tell me?
So because she helps me in many things.
Does your father not help you?
My father also helps me.
Then what is the difference? Your mother helps you, your father helps you. Then why not father? Why is mother?
So type of both.
Do you like money?
Yeah.
This is a great thing, yaar. Do you want to ask me anything?
Yeah. Give your uh, give what is your name?
So yaar. I'm very much sorry to know that you don't know my name, yaar.
Sir, I know.
Then you know, then why are you asking such question? The answer of that you know.
How many years are you?
I am so many years. What do you think about it?
I think you are 56 years.
57. Beta, kam kyun kar raha hai? Why are you decreasing 1 year of my life? Okay, thank you, Shreyansh. Your performance is very nice. And now I am calling Angi. Angi, I don't know who is Angi.
सर
Yes.
गलती से लिखा
गलती से
तो
लिखा तो हम बोलते रहेंगे जब तक तू ये आता रहेगा हमारे सामने. और हिंदी में और लिखा है पता नहीं क्या कौन सी तेरे को कहाँ कौन से ग्रह पे बैठी है तू. यस कम ऑन नताशा. नाउ नताशा इज विद मी. आर यू रेडी नताशा?
Yes, sir.
So Natasha, how do you feel in this class?
I feel is very good, sir.
Okay. What do you do?
I do learn English. I do to learn
Hey,
English.
you learn English, but what else do you do? Do you do any job?
Yes, sir.
What job do you do?
Sir, I am teacher.
You are a teacher. Where?
Bagru,
In which school? In private school or government school?
government school.
Government school. Which classes do you teach?
9 to 12th.
9 to 12th classes. You are senior teacher. You are
Yes, sir.
lecturer.
No, sir, senior teacher.
Senior
But,
teacher.
हाँ,
Means you which subject? मतलब you teach Hindi. Hindi compulsory or literature?
both.
Both.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is your qualification? I think you are MA B.Ed.
Yes, sir.
MA in Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And B.Ed.
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you want to do? Anything else? मतलब do you want to grow in your life? What is your now? What is your goal?
Sir, I am preparing for a college lecturer.
Very good. Very good. In which subject, beta?
Hindi literature.
Shabash. Very good. So you live in Bagru.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since when have you been teaching?
Sir, 2 years.
Okay. Very good. And do you want to ask me anything?
No, sir.
No. You must. ओके कोई बात नहीं. बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस. सुने सब लोग ध्यान से. ऐसी बात करेंगे और क्या बात होती है. तुम भी कुछ पूछ लिया करो कभी कभी. कुछ तो एक आध तो क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया करो. हैं?
सर सब कुछ पता है आपके बारे में.
अरे ये पता से क्या होता है. अपने को तो केवल कन्वर्सेशन करना है ना. कुछ तो ऐसा होगा जो पता नहीं तुम्हारे को. यस विपिन. अब देखना है छोटे छोटे बच्चों को. अभी ये क्या एक तो भाई तो मेरा नाम ही पूछ रहा था अभी. कहता व्हाट इज योर नेम. पता था उसको. ही न्यू. एंड देन ही आस्क्ड व्हाट इज योर एज. And also he knew my age. Like that. Yes, come on, Vipin. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vipin. Beta, how old are you?
सर क्या?
क्या? नंबर चला जाएगा तेरा. क्या? क्या? सॉरी बोलना चाहिए. समझ में नहीं आया तो क्या क्या होता है. सॉरी. सॉरी सर. बोल. नंबर जाने वाला है. तेरा टाइम चल रहा है. तेरा आधा मिनट हो चुका है. जब अपने को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है तो सॉरी सर बोलना चाहिए. क्या? व्हाट इज दिस. क्या? सॉरी सर बोलेगा तब मैं रिपीट करूंगा क्वेश्चन.
सॉरी सर.
ओके. हाउ ओल्ड आर यू?
आई एम 10 years old.
व्हाट डू यू डू?
I I am learning English.
You learn English.
I do learn English.
Okay. Again, what do you do?
I do learn English.
And else than English? Else than learning English? Sir, I study. ऐसे बोलना होता है। आप क्या करते हो? मैंने पूछा है क्या करते हो आप? पढ़ाई करता हूँ। आई स्टडी। बोलो मुझे।
Yes, sir.
भाई यस सर नहीं, आई स्टडी सर।
I study.
क्या यार, सुनता ही नहीं है। इतना देख कितना टाइम तेरा खराब हो गया। 1.5 मिनट तो हो गया तेरा। 2 ही क्वेश्चन हुए हैं अभी। इन विच क्लास डू यू स्टडी?
I class.
आई क्लास नहीं, आई स्टडी
I
इन।
study. I study in 5th class.
हाँ, थोड़ा ध्यान से फोकस करो जरा। डू यू वॉच टेलीविजन?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट डू यू वॉच ऑन टेलीविजन?
I watch cartoon in television.
ओके, डू यू वांट टू आस्क मी एनीथिंग?
Yes, sir.
यस,
Where do you live?
आई लिव इन जयपुर। वन मोर
What is
क्वेश्चन। यस, टाइम हो गया है, बोलो फटाफट से।
what is your father name?
माय फादर्स नेम इज मिस्टर वीसी गुप्ता। ओके, टाइम इज ओवर। थोड़ा फोकस करो बेटा, समझ गया ना बेटा? हाँ, ऐसे नहीं ढीले डाले के मत बैठो, एक्टिव रहो थोड़ा सा। समझो जरा क्या पूछा जा रहा है, प्रॉपर्ली जवाब दो। यस, अंजलि फर्स्ट।
Yes, sir.
यस, हाउ आर यू अंजलि?
What, sir?
हाउ आर यू?
I am fine.
वेयर डू यू लिव?
I live in Jaipur.
डू यू हैव एनी मोबाइल फोन?
Yes.
व्हाट डू यू डू ऑन इन योर मोबाइल फोन?
I play game.
Okay, okay. How long do you play games on mobile phone?
For 2 hours.
Do you watch television?
Yes.
How long?
For 2 hours.
Okay, very good. What do you watch on television?
I see Dark Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
And anything else?
Yes, I watch IOPU show on YouTube also.
Okay. Do you study?
Yes,
How long?
I study for 1 hour.
Okay. Do you go to school?
Yes,
What time do you go to school?
for 7 a.m.
4 क्यों लगा रहे हो यार? At 7 a.m. आएगा ना, 4 क्यों आएगा?
At 7 a.m.
How
to
do you go to school?
van.
Hmm?
Van.
Van नहीं, by van ऐसे बोला करो।
Van.
हाँ. Do you go to school alone?
No,
With whom do you go to school?
with my brother
Very
and my friends.
Okay. Do you want to ask me anything?
Yes.
Yes.
What is your address?
My address. I will tell you my address. That I live in Malvi Nagar in 7 number sector, and my house number is 62. But why do you want to know my address?
Because I go to your home.
I go to your home. I want to come to your home.
I want to come to your home.
Why do you want to come to my home?
Because you say to give me chocolate.
Okay. So we'll come to get your chocolate. Okay, thank you. Anjali, nice performance. Keep it up. Very good. Yes, come on, Minu.
Yes,
Where do you live, Minu?
sir. I live in Bandigui.
Okay. What do you do?
I am preparing for doctor.
For NEET,
Yes,
for
sir.
medical. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you go to any coaching?
Uh, not this time.
Okay. So how long do you study daily?
Sir, actually, I don't study because I do BMS, Ayurved doctor.
Okay, you are doing BHMS,
BAMS.
BAMS. From where?
Uh, I don't. don't get any college because counseling is not started.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to ask me anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Today you wear different shirt.
Okay. There is no particular reason of it, but without any reason, I wore it.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anything else?
No, sir.
Do you?
No. This is the turn off Minu. Minu, do you like these classes?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about these classes?
These classes are very useful for us
Hmm.
because we learn English
Hmm.
speaking.
Hmm.
We can't speak. We can't know English anywhere else.
We could not.
We could
पास्ट में
know.
जाएगा ना बेटा वो सेंटेंस. ओके
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है मीनू वेरी गुड. परफॉर्मेंस इज वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप.
Thank.
शाबाश. एंड नाउ Anvi.
अन्नू की मम्मी.
Anvi,
Yes, sir.
how are you, Anvi?
Sir, I am fine.
Where do you live?
Sir, I live near Khatipura station.
Okay, what do you do?
Sir, I do study.
In which class do you study?
Sir, in 4th class.
In which school?
Sir, in St. Mary Convent Senior Secondary School.
Okay, very good. Do you like study?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Do you go to school daily?
Yes, sir.
How do you go to school?
Sir, by bus.
Okay. Do you go there alone?
No, sir.
Then with
Sir,
whom do
with
you
my
go?
brother.
With your brother. Hmm. What subjects do you learn? Do you study in school?
Sir, I study SST, English, Maths, Hindi, and some other
Which subject do
subjects.
you like the most, beta?
Sir, SST and
SST. Okay. Do you watch television?
yes, sir.
You can ask me also questions.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, how many children you have?
2.
Sir, what is the name of that? What is the name of them?
What are
What are the name of them?
my son Yakshesh and my daughter Gati?
Sir, what your father is in this world?
Yes.
Your mother also?
Yes.
Sir, what is your wife's name?
Kamlesh.
Sir, with who do you live in this house?
With whom? I live in this house with my family, my wife, my daughter, and my mother, father, my bhabhi, and her daughter, means my niece. My son lives in Bangalore. Okay, time is over. Very good. बीच बीच में से ही पूछ लिया करो क्वेश्चन. जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए कि मैं आपको बोलूं तभी पूछना है आपको. Okay. Yes, now this is the turn of Khushi Gujar.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Khushi?
I'm fine, sir.
What are you doing these days?
I do study.
I am doing study. जिस टेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कोशिश करो उसी टेंस में आंसर दो. Okay. Do you celebrate festivals?
Yes, sir.
Which is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
Why do you like Diwali the most?
Mm, uh, I don't know, but I like Diwali from childhood.
From childhood. What do you do on Diwali?
Uh, this day, I wear new clothes and I fire crackers.
Shabash. Very good. बोलते रहो.
and I eat sweet
Hmm.
and other things.
Okay, very good. Do you have any mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
What do you do with your mobile phone?
Uh, I watch study videos. I watch comedy videos, movies, etc.
Do you study?
Yes, sir.
In which class?
Uh, this year I complete my
I
graduation.
have completed.
I have completed my graduation,
uh,
and nowadays I am preparing government employee
for government jobs.
or government job.
Okay, time is over.
Yes, sir.
Very good. कोशिश क्या करो बस ऐसे ही. Yes, come on, Pinky.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Pinky?
I'm not fine.
Why? What happened?
I have fever.
What happened?
Fever.
Your voice is not clear.
Hello.
Make it okay. Then I call you later. Okay, your voice is not audible. Switch on your mic. Hurry up. Make it okay. Yes, Kushi Meena.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where do you live?
I live in Bandipur.
What do you do?
I study
In which class?
12th class.
In 12th class. In which
Okay,
school,
sir.
beta?
Then Sani AVM English Medium Secondary
In
School.
Sani AVM. Preposition लगाया करो, है ना? Focus करो थोड़ा सा. Do you go to school daily?
Yes.
How do you go there?
Bicycle.
Do you go there alone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When do you go to your school?
At 7 p.m.
AM. When do you come back from there?
At 1 p.m. 1 a.m.
1 PM. ओके बेटा, क्लियर करो बेटा इनको, है ना? क्लियर है, कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो आप. Which subject do you have?
Bio.
Okay, so you want to become a doctor?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Good luck. How long do you study?
Two hours.
Okay. Do you go to any coaching?
No, sir.
Okay. Why did you come here? To me.
Because of my brother.
Mhm. No. You know what is the answer of this question? To learn English. Hmm?
To learn English.
Very good. Shabash. अच्छा है. Okay, beta. Yes, now I am calling you Pinky. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what happened to you, Pinky?
Sir, I have a fever.
Fever.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you take any medicine for it?
No,
Why?
I don't like medicine.
Okay. Then how will you recover from your fever?
I drink haldi milk.
हल्दी मिल्क.
हल्दी को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में बता.
टर्मरिक. हल्दी भी बोलोगे तो कोई बात नहीं चलेगा. What do you
Yes,
do?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes sir, नहीं sorry sir.
Sorry, sir.
What do you do?
I do stitching.
So you know, she is a fashion designer. If you need anything, you can call to her. She is a very good fashion designer. Okay. So, Pinky, where
Yes,
do you
sir.
live?
I live in Jagatpura.
Okay. Hmm. Do you want to ask me anything?
How are you?
I am fine. Better than you.
Okay.
Do you watch television?
Yes,
What do you watch on television?
I watch Ramayana.
Ramayana. Good girl. She is cultured girl. संस्कारी लड़की है. Very good. Shabash. So, do you have mobile phone?
Yes.
What do you do on it?
Mm, I do editing
Hmm.
my page
Hmm.
and I use Instagram and ShareChat and Facebook.
Okay, very good. Shabash. You are using properly new
Yes,
technology.
sir.
Very good. Okay. Thank you, Pinky. Nice performance. Keep it up. And now I am calling Khushi Meena का हो गया. Garvit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on, Garvit. How are you?
Sir, I am fine.
What do you do?
Sir, I do study.
In which class?
Sir, fifth class.
In fifth class. Sir, fifth class nahi. Okay. Do you like study?
Yes, sir.
But I think you don't like study. Your performance is not good. What is the reason of it? Many times you disappear from the class. Why is it so?
Sir, because sometimes there was issue of net.
Net. But
Yes,
your
sir.
sister remains continue.
Sir, because she sit in balcony.
So you also can sit in balcony.
Yes,
So
sir.
why don't you sit in balcony? And you do not do your work properly? I think I should talk to your father.
No, sir.
Then you must perform very nicely. But you are not performing very well. So I think now you will try to perform your best. Do you want to
Okay,
ask me
sir.
anything?
No, sir.
Why? You must ask me anything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Where do you live?
I live in Jaipur.
Sir, proper address?
Why? Why do you want to take my proper address?
Sir,
So,
where, because
hmm, because हिंदी में बोल.
सर ऐसे ही.
ऐसे ही without any work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down my address 7/62 Malvi Nagar near Jawahar Circle. Your time is over. Come on, Kiran.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
How are you? I am fine.
Where do you live?
Where do you live? I live in Jaipur.
Where in Jaipur?
Where in Jaipur? Jamar Circle side.
Near Jawahar Circle.
Near Jamar Circle. Near there.
What do you do?
What do you do? I do study.
In which class?
In which class? I study for BA first year.
In BA first year.
In BA first year.
First year.
First year.
In which
Which
college?
in which college? My college Sanganer, near Sanganer.
Can you tell me the
Can
name
you
of
tell
the
me
college?
the name of the college? Subodh.
Very good. Do you go
Very
there
good. Do
daily?
you go there daily? No, sir.
Okay. Which
Okay.
subject
Which subject
do you have?
do you have? Hindi literature, political, geography.
How long do you
How long
study?
do you study? Four hours.
Very good.
Very good.
Okay. Do
Okay.
you know how
Do
to
you
cook
know
food?
how to cook food?
Do you know
Do
cooking
you know
food?
cooking food? No, sir.
Okay. Do you help your mother?
Yes, sir.
How do you help your mother?
My mother's helps homework
I help
I
my
help
mother
my mother
in
in
domestic
in home.
works
domestic works
like
like
in cooking
in
food,
cooking food,
in
in
cleaning,
cleaning,
in washing
in washing
clothes.
clothes.
ऐसे सोचा करो
ऐसे
और फिर
सोचा
बोला
करो
करो.
और फिर बोला करो.
Do you want to ask me
Do you want to
anything?
ask me anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you watch mobile phone?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you eat sweets?
Too much.
Too much.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Time
you
is
very
over.
much. Time is over.
Your mother's name?
Srimati Maya Devi.
Srimati Maya Devi.
But your time is
But
over
your
now.
time is over now.
Okay,
Your
sir.
yes.
Your yes.
Come on now. Anuj.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How are you, Anuj?
Sir, I'm fine.
What do you do?
I study.
In which class?
I started my graduation
In which stream?
with in arts.
Arts.
Yes, sir.
But I think you had science.
Yes, sir. I changed.
In which college?
Uh, Subodh Rambagh Circle.
Okay. 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 So why did you change your subjects?
Sir, I was scared of mathematics.
Okay. 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 So now, what you want to? What is your aim? I mean, what you want to become in your life?
Sir, honestly, I don't have.
You don't know.
I'm not,
Okay. Okay. Now, which subjects have you taken?
sir, politics and English literature and geography.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Do you have any mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you use your mobile phone?
Sir, I use mobile phone for communication and for taking my online class.
Okay. Have you ever gone out of Jaipur?
Yes,
Where?
Delhi and many and some and also some other places.
Okay. Which states have you visited? Which states of India have you visited? Can you tell me?
Sir, Delhi, Uttarakhand,
Hmm.
and etc.
Okay.
Sir,
Your time is over. Very good. Keep it up. Simran,
Yes, sir.
how are you, Simran?
I am fine, sir.
Where do you live?
I live in Jaipur.
What do you do?
I do studying.
Okay. In which class do you study?
I study in BA first year.
In which college?
My college is Maharani College.
Do you go to college daily?
No, sir.
Okay. Where do you belong to?
I belong from Savai Madhopur.
To Soyabadapur. Where do your parents live?
My parents live in Savai Madhopur.
Do you live here alone?
No, sir.
Then with whom do you live?
Sir. Sorry, sir.
With whom? किसके साथ? With whom do you live?
Sir, my roommate
With your who is your roommate?
Manju Meena.
Okay. Where do you live in Jaipur?
I live in Gandhinagar.
Okay. Okay. Do you want to ask me anything?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
What is your Google number?
I don't know, but I use it only for near vision. I don't
Sir.
use it permanently, and I
How?
also don't know what is the number of this. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Nice performance. Thank you. Thanks to all.